Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Bansal Biology. Before starting with the video, please do subscribe to my channel. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about the tricks of geological period. So first of all, what is geological period? Geological period is the calendar. We can say it is the calendar through which we can know about at what time what event had occurred on the earth planet, कि अर्थ प्लैनेट पे किसी स्पेसिफिक टाइम पे क्या हुआ था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई भी अगर हम ले लें, जुरासिक पीरियड में क्या हुआ था, ट्राइएसिक पीरियड में क्या हुआ था, किसी भी पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे अर्थ में क्या इवेंट हुआ था, दैट इज नोन एज जियोलॉजिकल पीरियड. So geological period is divided into many categories, as you can see in this table. The first category is eon, then eon is subdivided into era, then era is subdivided into period, and then period is divided into epoch. So the eon is the first largest category. So if we see the trick of eon, then the trick for eon is as per press. So the eon is divided into three parts, that is the first one in Archean, the past one, then it's Proterozoic, and then is Phanerozoic. Phanerozoic is very important because we are living in this time period. Right now this time is going on, this eon is going on. So these three are the eon: Archean, Proterozoic and Phanerozoic. So for this the trick is as per press. Like the media, what media say, we believe it. So as per press. So from as it's Archean, from per it's Proterozoic, and from press it's Phanerozoic. Next, eon is divided into era. So the next is era. For era, the trick is Aam Aadmi Party, फिर चुनाव, फिर महाचुनाव जीती. Okay. So the era consists of 5 parts: Archean, Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic and Cenozoic. The Cenozoic is the most recent one. We are living in this, and Archean is the oldest one. So from Aam Aadmi it's Archean, from Party it's Proterozoic, from Fir it's Paleozoic, from Maha it's Mesozoic, and from Chunav Jeeti it's Cenozoic. From Jeeti it's nothing, from Chunav it's Cenozoic. Then the era is divided into the period. So let's see the tricks for period. So for period is divided into so many parts. The Cambrian is the oldest one, and before Cambrian we say that pre-Cambrian period, pre-Cambrian events. So Cambrian, the trick for this is, can online site in Delhi provide tank juice and tasty Quaker oats? Okay. So some guy has visited from foreign to India, and he has visited to Delhi. He wants to eat tank juice and he wants to eat Quaker oats. From can online site in, from can it's Cambrian, from online it's Ordovician, from site it's Silurian, from Delhi it's Devonian, from could it's Carboniferous, from provide it's Permian, from tank it's Triassic, from juice it's Jurassic, and from cans it's Cretaceous, and then from tasty it's Tertiary, and from Quaker it's Quaternary. The Quaternary is the most recent one, and the Cambrian is the past one, and before this it's pre-Cambrian. Okay. So the next is epoch. Period is divided into epoch. So these epoch we are going to discuss. The tertiary and quaternary period are divided into these epoch, and we are going to discuss the trick of these. So the trick is Piyo mat please pyare honey. A wife is requesting her husband that please don't drink so much, please honey. So from P it's Paleocene, from E it's Eocene, from O it's Oligocene, from mat it's Miocene, from please it's Pliocene, from pyare it's Pleistocene, and from honey it's Holocene. The Holocene is the most recent one. So that's it for today's lecture. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Please share it with your friends.